This is KK Singh Vedic Astrologer and welcome to my YouTube channel Om Astro Jyoti. Today we are going to discuss about the transit of Saturn and transit of Jupiter together and the effect. This will be a very short video regarding the transit of Jupiter and transit of Saturn together in the sign of Capricorn, and this video will be about only and only the transit and the double transit of Saturn Jupiter in Capricorn and the sign where they are aspecting. Okay, so let us start. Okay, so today we are going to start with the Saturn and Jupiter double transit in the sign of Capricorn. And as we know that there is a double transit going on in the sky right now, and both of the planets are in retrograde motion. Jupiter was in the retrograde motion for so many days, and still Saturn is also in retrogradation motion. So the things will not be happening according to the people right now. I am saying about the people of the Kal Purusha chart because it is having because the thing is the transit is happening in the 10th house of the Kal Purusha chart. So any karma, the people who are engaged in any type of karma, like any type of action, they will be into some, what they are feeling or what they are thinking, that is not going to happen right now. That is not going to fructify. Anything what is going to happen will be happen only when Saturn and Jupiter both when they will be direct in the motion. So another thing is also the double transit is happening in the sign of Cancer also because they are jointly aspecting the sign Cancer. So here what we can say is that regarding in the home environment there will be a lot of tussle. The domestic peace won't be there. The domestic like the people will have to keep or put a lot of effort to improve the domestic well-being. Domestic well-being, they have to maintain a very cordial relationship, or they will have to be very diplomatic while dealing in the domestic, while being in domestic relationship with any people. So domestic domestic environment will be very tricky situation to handle until they both are direct. Okay, so as soon as they are getting direct, the things will be much more easier to deal with. Okay, so that is one thing. Another date for the a very important date for the transit is that we are looking at the direct motion of the Saturn, which is supposed to happen on the 14th of October at evening 5 p.m. IST, where I am living it, and Jupiter will be direct before that. Okay, but in November 23rd of 2021, Jupiter is going to be permanently going to sign Aquarius. Okay, so that I will be including in next video, but for the time being I'm just letting you know that as the karma sthana is having the double transit of two retrograde planets. Okay, so the career or the things what they wish, what the people are wishing, like what they want from their career and livelihood, it is not going to fructify right now. They will have to wait some more. Okay, another very important thing is we also have to understand the direct motion of the planet. If the planet are coming in the direct motion, then they will be bestowing the benefic results. Okay, here one more thing I would like to tell you, that Jupiter is in the Nicha Rashi, so again it is going to be in Neech Bhanga first of all, but the Jupiter's Neech, the effect of debility will come into play. So first of all it will be debilitated, and after that when the Saturn will be direct, so the cancellation of debility will happen. So people who are waiting for the long term project will definitely have to have some patience. Okay, and another thing which I can also tell you from here at this moment of time is there will be a fall in the prices of share and golds. Maybe gold is likely to fall, especially in the month, from the month of October end till November. Okay, when the sun will also be in the sign of Libra, and Jupiter being in Capricorn, the value of gold will fall. Okay, and it might be possible that the value of share might go up. Okay, even it is a little bit, going down, but definitely a new record is going to be created. So that is one thing. That is only astrologically I am telling you. So if you are able to follow me, then it's good, or else you just keep your tracks. Okay. So overall, I can say in this particular this 2 months, be a little bit cautious about how you are dealing with your boss, how you are showing yourself as a person in the community, or in the what to say, in the society, or what is your status. So that's all. In coming 2 months, everything will be changed. So this is my very short analysis video on Jupiter and Saturn double transit in the sign of Capricorn and Cancer by the aspect. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video. So we will discuss later. We will discuss many things later. So yeah, this is KK Singh signing off for today. God bless.